Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We are going to take a quick look at an Evans 0256 pinch roller. This machine does have a 60-inch width capacity. Those rolls are 62 inches wide, and those rolls are 5.5 inches in diameter. It does have a 5-inch daylight opening. We currently have it open to the max, which is, again, a little over 5 inches, but all these people telling you it has a 5-inch capacity. If we look, right now you have about a 2-inch capacity because you would be hitting your guards. So you would have to modify the guards if you're going to go over the 2 inches. But again, it will open to 5. The rolls on this machine are in good condition. There's some light scars, but it is not trashed by any means. I mean, there's no huge gouges or nicks or tear outs. It's not delaminating. The rolls are still soft and pliable. This machine does use spacers. Currently, we have a set of 3/4 inch spacers in it. So on each side, you are going to put your spacer. It also comes with a 1/4 set of spacers. You could also make the spacers out of wood, plastic. You do have options. You can also buy metal ones from Evans as well. The advantage of the spacers is operator error. It forces your guys to say, hey, I'm using 3/4. I use these 3/4 inch spacers. I'm using 1 inch. I use the 3/4 and the 1/4 spacers. Whereas like a hand wheel is going to be infinitely variable, and that can be problematic. And this is also cheaper to produce. So there is pneumatic pressure, obviously. It does feature forward and reverse. This is forward. And to go into reverse, you do have to turn the machine off because this machine does have a gearbox. Here's reverse. There's also a safety on these gates, so if you were to hit the gate, it's not going to turn the motor off, but it is going to raise the roll off as you just saw. So that will stop your operator from being pinched. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.